fly down to the railroad, yeah, yeah, just to see what I could see, yeah, yeah. I heard somebody called Payfield, yeah, yeah. I said, what that mean to me, yeah, yeah. They said painful was a terror, yeah, yeah. As sharp as a blade, yeah, yeah. And if you don't watch out, yeah, yeah, you might need.
YouTube, what's good? It is your guy Hitch, and I apologize if I look tired and my eyes are bloodshot red, but I'm shooting this video at like 2:30 in the morning. I'm supposed to be hopping on a flight to go on vacation in the morning at 8:45, but I'm trying to get this video done because May is going to be crazy with releases, so I hope you guys appreciate it. Now, speaking of appreciation real quick, if you haven't done so, go subscribe to my channel, especially if you've watched a minimum 5 of my videos. Please go do that right now. Also hit the bell to be notified when I have new videos coming out. Now, going back to my story, real brief. I left work, went to the mall to go pick up some new slides to go on vacation, and I ran into these. So the House of Hoops, Foot Locker, they always surprise me, and they surprised me again because these recently released only online to my knowledge. Eastbay, I believe Foot Action, and Foot Locker. And when they came out, all the small sizes were gone. They still have like sizes 10 and a half and up online. So if you do like them, go on the website, go pick them up, or you can go to your local Foot Locker. So my House of Hoops had them, and then another store had them in my size. The House of Hoops did not have my size. I went to another store, they had them in my size. They only had one pair of size 8s left, and I got my hands on them. So these are supposedly a part of a SB pack. The Black Toes recently released. Today they also released the Mystic Green, and then the University Gold dropped like a week or two ago. So it's supposed to be a part of SB pack. I don't really know if that's true, but essentially a whole bunch of lows are releasing, and these are perfect for the summer. But before we get into the shoe, like I always do, we start with the box. It's the regular Jordan Retro 1 box, black, gold logos, Jumpman. Retail is only $90, and I went a size 8, so I will go a half size down, as y'all know, in all my Jordan 1s. You can, if you are in store. I don't think you're going to be able to do it online, but if you find the shoes in store, you can use your reward. The retail is $90. I had a $10 reward, so I only paid 80 bucks for them. Now, one of the main reasons why I say the shoe is perfect for the summer is because it's low cut. I'm a fan of wearing low cut sneakers, typically runners in the summertime, but it's a low cut sneaker. Now, the entire upper is made out of suede. Now, the suede is not necessarily the greatest of suede, and it's also not the worst. So typically with suede, that's good. If you run your finger across it, you're able to see it move, and you'll see it like change the different color, whether it's light or go dark or go from dark to light. And you're not seeing that with this suede, but it is soft, and it remains consistent throughout the entire upper. So outside of your beige suede that you have on the upper, you then have your gum midsole wrapped around the sneaker, and then that rolls over into your outsole, which is going to be hot pink. Now, looking on the box, it does not say pink on the color code of the box for some odd reason. It just says white gum, and black. Once you get away from your outsole and then get back to your upper, your Nike swoosh is going to be in that same beige, and then when you get to the back of the sneaker, it's going to have your Jordan wings stitched in white. From there, you get back to the front of the sneaker, and you have your tongue. Your tongue is going to be similar to the tongue of the Jordan 1 mid that I did. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go and watch it. But essentially, the tongue is a little bit more padded, I think, than the Jordan 1 mid that I reviewed, but it's still a little bit flimsy compared to what you would normally get in your Jordan 1 OG high. But that tongue is going to be mesh, and it's made out of white. And behind the tongue, it's going to have black lining. So that's something that I do like, that the sneaker does have black lining. I hate white lining. And then on your tongue, you have the 23 for the lace loop. Sitting on top of the tongue, you're gonna have your flat white laces. Now, speaking of laces, the shoe does not have multiple laces. You're only getting white. Now, I'm not gonna say that's a beef that I have with Jordan Brand, but come on, bro, like, stop being cheap. Y'all give us multiple laces in the Jordan OG highs. The mids sometimes have laces. Let's keep like a standard. I think Jordan 1s, whether low, mid, or highs, should at least have 2 laces, period. I would like to see these with black pair of laces. Outside of that, going back to your lining, you have the black lining, but inside of the shoe, you are going to have a black insole. The insole has a hot pink Jumpman down at the bottom. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it. This was a quick video, but the colorway, I love it. The colorway is very different than what you typically get on a pair of Jordan 1s. It's nothing like any other OG colorway that they've done. Now, a few things. The shoe does not have a release date. Jordan Brand has just been dropping Retro 1 lows and mids whenever they feel like it through different retailers. They did release online, Foot Locker and Eastbay. I believe Foot Action, I don't remember 1000%, but Nike.com did not drop this shoe yet. So if I had to take a guess, I'm going to assume Nike will be dropping these soon. I'm rating the shoe a 3.5. I'm happy with the purchase. When I did the Lakers mid review, I was actually shocked. A lot of people said that they were either on the fence of Jordan 1 mids and now they are fans of them, or people were just saying they like them. What do you think about Jordan 1 lows? Do what you need to do. Subscribe, like, comment, share, the bell, all that good stuff. Zeke Marley, Vader Lord, been reppin' from Terrell to Rock, smooth criminal and gambling spots. Shoot dice to kill time, life handle but watch. Be careful where you bustin' your box. Narcos got the drop from snitching niggas with their hands in the pot. We was banging on the table, clips grinding beat. Lunchtime, broke days, Uncle Will, hook it up. Lunch line, got a couple dollars, get hot wings and cheese fries. Split it with my niggas, same homie since knee high. Wreck ball, GG Brown, Pop Warner, Rowdy at that goalpost. Mookie got that check going. Whole squad got that check going. It's Sunday morning and that check potent. Live down to the railroad, yeah, yeah, just to see what I could see, yeah, yeah. I heard somebody call Payfield, yeah, yeah. I said, what that mean to me, yeah, yeah. Is it painful, was it terror, yeah, yeah. As sharp as a blade, yeah, yeah. And if you don't watch out, yeah, yeah, you might need